Weapons, ammunition, and military equipment.
We're selling airsoft, fully automatic gun, and it shoots 6mm plastic pellets, and it shoots 150 rounds per second.
Once fired, this will drop to the ground. This piece here will drop. This piece here will go downrange and hit the subject, and the weapon itself will come back to full battery.
Fire in the hole!
But this is no ordinary arms.
It's non-lethal, exactly. After about 10 minutes, you've wiped the subject clean, and he's almost back to more normal, about 85% back to normal. Then all he needs is a little water, and that's it.
The same principle as a rubber bullet, but it's a much larger one going down, so a larger mass hits you. And it's comparable with being hit with a fastball from a major league player.
The latest technology in the field of non-lethal capabilities ranges from blunt force weapons to pyrotechnics, and are meant to control crowds, to neutralize vehicles, or to incapacitate individuals without killing them. And the demand for these less lethal weapons is growing.
What these technologies do is that they try to incapacitate adversaries temporarily and not to cause permanent damage. Developing non-lethal capabilities are a very important part of NATO's response, both in different battlefields as part of NATO's ongoing and future operations, and also NATO's counter-terrorism efforts, and through which NATO can actually achieve its objectives in a way that spares human life and property too.
Nowadays, a lot of the officers and a lot of the soldiers really don't want to shoot anybody to kill. They'd rather bring them in, and sometimes it's an attitude where they need to take somebody in as a prisoner and not kill them because they need to interrogate them and so on.
When addressing the problem of terrorism, we obviously need to find primarily non-military responses. We need to find responses through which we can prevent terrorism rather than deal with the consequences of terrorism. I think that all these technologies help us to achieve that objective.
It's pretty threatening looking, you know. It is a weapon after all, whether it's non-lethal or not. And to be effective, I think you have to have that look about it too also. You can't have a military personnel or a police officer come out to the crowd and with some kind of toy-looking funny thing, you know. So I think the look has to be effective as well. So yes, it is a little threatening looking.
So non-lethal or not, the use of less lethal weapons should still not be taken lightly.